Hi, John McCarthy from Medical here. How do we deliver effective point-of-care ultrasound education in these challenging times? Well, I think the technology is here to allow us to deliver an authentic classroom experience for our students and young doctors. So I want to run through how you would do this, and I'm going to use wireless ultrasound probes together with online learning platforms and show you how to merge those technologies to recreate an authentic classroom experience for your students. So there are a number of excellent products now on the market that allow us to teach effectively our young students and doctors. Here's a cable device, an example of a cable connection to a tablet or smartphone. This one from the company Kaison. Of course, laptop devices are becoming compact now, offering the same sort of ability to teach our students, albeit in a slightly different setting. Wireless technology lends itself particularly well to this, and here's an example of a nice product now available through the company, this one from Yuki. It offers a nice feature of detachable transducer head, which allows you to cover quite a frequency range and different applications. Today though, however, I'm going to show you how to connect up this type of probe, details on the website, with a smartphone, and we're going to then use that and incorporate it within a learning platform, meetings platform, to effectively recreate quite an intimate classroom environment to enable us to effectively teach our young students and doctors in training. So the first step in setting up your virtual ultrasound class is to connect your wireless ultrasound probe to your iPhone. For this you need to download an app from the App Store. So go to Medical website, wireless ultrasound page, scroll down to utilities including a link to the App Store where you can download the relevant application that will allow you to connect. Wireless USG is the name of the application. Download the application, software, download it, and you are ready now to connect your wireless device with your phone. So switch on the device. You'll see the flashing light at the bottom of the probe. It's telling you that the Wi-Fi setup is starting. Then go into settings on your phone and look for the Wi-Fi network connection. Select that network and enter the password, which corresponds to a 10-digit number that you'll find on the back of the probe at the bottom. So having entered in your 10-digit password, that will then allow you to connect to the wireless network. There it is connecting now. You join the network. Open your application. The default setting is the freeze screen, so you unfreeze the screen and you'll see you are now ready to scan. So familiarize yourself with the various functionality that's packed into this piece of software. We're able to adjust dynamic range, denoise functions, focus, frequency range settings, gain settings, as well as an array of other functions, including color Doppler, M mode, pulse wave, etc. So familiarize yourself with the device before you plan your class. You'll see there really is quite a lot to pack into that little software application. So you're now ready to scan. So now having wirelessly connected to your phone and ready to scan, the next stage will be setting up for screen mirroring on your laptop. A number of online meetings platforms have an inbuilt screen sharing facility. However, I'll show you how to use a standalone QuickTime screen share for those platforms that don't have this function. A wired connection between your iPhone and laptop is recommended. Connect your phone via the mini USB cable, and then use your QuickTime Player application on your laptop to screen mirror. So first of all, go into the QuickTime application, go to File Settings, Screen Record, and select the iPhone from the drop-down list. You're then mirroring your iPhone exactly as it is on your laptop screen. So we now have effectively our scanned image, not just on our phone, but projected onto our laptop. And when we enter the meetings platform, we'll then be able to share imaging. Both the teacher and the student will be able to exchange their images over that platform. So this is an example of just using a simple phantom to scan an image, and it serves as a useful introduction to students on the basic functionality around the probe and acquiring simple images, adjusting frequency settings, depth settings, and making simple measurements. So set up your whatever demonstration you're going to give, and go into your meetings platform. We've chosen Zoom here as an example. Enter and set up your meeting, and then simply give the relative permissions for the users to use screen sharing, and you're now in a virtual classroom environment where you're able to give your instructions, your lecture portion of your class, along with practical demonstration of how to acquire ultrasound scans. So I think we're at an exciting time with the opportunity now to reach our students and doctors in training much more easily and deliver an effective hands-on training opportunity for them. The benefits of delivering online training in this way, I think, are clear. The ways we can achieve a real-time interaction with our students, allow them to have a tactile, hands-on experience with ultrasound devices, allow you to both assess their performance and demonstrate image acquisition clearly to them, is an obvious advantage. So I hope I've demonstrated to you the principle of achieving this. We at Balter Medical are really enthusiastic about medical education, and in particular point of care ultrasound education, and see this as a future solution for democratizing point of care skills acquisition amongst the many people who are looking to gain these skills. So we'd be happy for you to get in touch with us if we can help in any way.